Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply go to search bar and type your file explorer. Just open it and simply right click on this PC, open its properties, then click on advanced system settings. Once we are here, we need to go to advanced tab and from performance section click on settings. Then we need to simply check this box, the show thumbnails instead of icons. Once done, save the changes, closes all windows one by one. Okay, in the next method we are going to just search for disk cleanup and click here to open it. So we need to check these thumbnails, click on OK and select delete files. So this will take some time to complete the process. Once done, we will simply move to the next method. That will be right click here, select task manager, then search the Windows Explorer, select it, right click on it and select restart. And once done, we need to close this window. Again right click here, select, now go to search bar, type in file explorer, select the folder, then click on these three dots, open options, then go to view tab and we need to uncheck this option, always show icons never thumbnails. Uncheck it, click on apply and then OK. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.